Going to the lake.
Dad, what are we doing today?
Kathy, it's a surprise.
Is it a special occasion?
No, just a short family trip.
Does Mom know?
Of course. It was her idea.
Where is Mom?
She's at the store getting things for our trip.
I'm so curious. Can you please tell me?
No, you have to be patient.
Okay. Can I help you with anything?
Sure. Why don't you pack your swimsuit and life jacket?
I know what we're doing.
You do?
Yes, we're going to the lake.
How did you know?
You asked me to pack a swimsuit and a life jacket. Also, you're pulling out the canoe from the garage.
It looks like I can't keep a secret.
Great hotel experience.
Hi, Alice. How did you like the hotel?
It was lovely, Barbara. The rooms were spacious and clean.
Did you get a good deal on it?
Yeah, they had an online special. If you reserved a room 3 weeks early, you got 20% off the regular room rate.
That's a good deal.
The swimming pool and spa were really nice, too. The swimming pool was warm. There was also a sauna.
Oh, that's very nice. Joe loves saunas. I need to tell him about this place.
The parking is free, and so is the Wi-Fi.
That's good to know.
There's a shuttle bus that takes you to the downtown area where all of the shops and restaurants are. It was very convenient.
Anything else?
The concierge was very helpful, and the front desk clerks were very nice.
Sounds like it was a wonderful place to stay.
It was. I would recommend this place to everyone.
Is there a restaurant in the hotel?
Yes, they have great food. It's a little expensive, but very delicious. They have a fantastic breakfast buffet every morning, too.
Wow, I'm definitely going to make a reservation here.
I can't wait to go back.
Hiking for beginners.
Hey, Sue. What are you doing this weekend?
Hi, Sandy. I'm going hiking with some friends. Do you want to join?
No, that's okay. I've never gone hiking before.
Really? It's a lot of fun and great exercise.
It sounds fun and good for you.
It is. You should come.
I don't even have the correct shoes.
I have an extra pair. What size do you wear?
I wear a size 7.
What a coincidence. Me too.
What else do I need?
Comfortable clothes, a jacket, a water bottle, snacks, a flashlight, and a map.
Wow, that's a lot of stuff to bring.
Do you have a small backpack to put these items in?
Yeah.
Well then, you're ready to go.
How long are you going to be hiking?
We usually hike about 10 miles, but this weekend we're going to hike a much shorter distance.
Why?
My friend is bringing her sister. She has never gone hiking before either, so it'll be a fun experience for the both of you.
Hiking injury.
Hey, Joe, what happened to your ankle?
Hey, Kevin. I broke it while hiking last weekend.
That's terrible. How?
We were hiking down a steep trail. I lost my balance and fell.
Ouch.
Yeah, it hurt badly.
How did you get back to your car?
It was a long, painful walk.
Were you alone?
No, I was with my wife, but I'm too heavy for her to carry me.
Why didn't you call someone?
There was no cell phone coverage in that area.
How long do you have to wear your cast?
6 weeks.
6 weeks? Are you going to miss the marathon next month?
Yeah, looks like I am. I'm so disappointed. I've been training for that for a year. Why don't you go in my place?
No, thanks. You know what I hate more than hiking?
What?
Marathons.
Looking for airline deals.
Hi, Carol. Have you seen any airline deals lately?
Hi, Ruth. No, I haven't. Are you planning a trip?
Yeah, Stan and I want to visit our daughter in London. She moved there last year.
Why?
Her job was transferred there.
Does she like living there?
She loves living in England. She wants us to visit, but the airfare is very expensive.
Have you called any travel agencies? Sometimes they have special deals.
I've called travel agencies and looked online, but everything is expensive.
Yeah, airfare is getting more and more expensive every year.
I know. You travel a lot. Where do you buy your airline tickets?
My traveling is for work. My company pays for the tickets.
That's nice.
Yeah, one of my business trips was to Hawaii. I got to fly in first class.
That's amazing. We rarely travel by plane. I'd rather take the train.
Well, you can't take the train across the ocean.
I wish we could.
Lost reservation.
Mary, I am so angry.
What happened, Susan?
Our hotel lost our reservations.
How did that happen?
I don't know. They didn't have a reasonable explanation.
Well, can't you just make another reservation?
No, they said there are no more rooms available.
Oh, no. That's terrible.
We are attending my niece's wedding this weekend, and everyone is staying at that hotel.
What about another hotel in that area?
There's going to be a big doctors' conference this weekend. There are no rooms available at any of the nearby hotels.
Did the hotel apologize?
Yes, and they offered us a discount on our next visit.
Did you accept it?
No. I was so mad. I told them that I would never stay at a place that lost our original reservations.
What did they say?
They just kept apologizing.
What are you going to do?
I don't know. My niece is very upset. Our daughter is the photographer.
Picnic by the lake.
Hi, Mike. What are you doing today?
Hi, Joe. My family and I are going to the lake. We're going to have a picnic.
That sounds like fun.
Do you want to join us?
May I? I would love to join.
Sure. We are leaving at 10:30.
Okay. Let me ask my parents. What should I bring?
You should pack swim trunks and a life jacket.
Okay. How about food?
My parents are going to pack some food. There will be plenty for you too.
Thanks. I'll be back as soon as possible.
Try to come back before 10:30.
I will. If I can't go, I will call you.
I hope you can come with us.
Me too. I have no plans today.
See you soon.
I hope so.
Planning a boat trip.
Hi, Jane. Isn't it a beautiful day?
Hi, Sarah. Yeah, it's sunny and clear. I think we're going to take our boat out.
It's a great day for it.
Would you and Paul like to join us?
I would love to. I need to ask Paul. He's at the store. He should be home in a few minutes.
Great. We can pack a lunch and eat on the boat.
Sounds like fun. I've never been on a boat before.
You haven't? Do you get seasick?
I've never been on a boat, so I wouldn't know.
Do you get airsick? Do you have any kind of motion sickness?
I don't think so. I don't get sick on planes or trains or long car rides.
That's good. Then you'll probably be okay on the boat.
Are you really worried about me being seasick?
Yes, and there is a reason why.
What is it?
Tom and I took my friend out on our boat once and she got very sick. I felt terrible for her.
Oh, I see. I should be okay.
What about Paul?
He used to be a fisherman. He is definitely not going to be seasick.
Talking about fishing.
Hey, John, did you see the fish Sam just caught?
No, what did he catch? How big was it?
A 20-pound salmon.
Wow, I've been here all day and have caught nothing. Have you caught anything?
Yeah, just a couple of small trout.
That's better than me. I just want to give up and go home.
Don't give up. You might catch something soon.
My wife told me to bring home dinner.
Fish?
Yeah, I may have to go to the market and buy one.
That's silly. Just wait.
The sun is starting to set, and I'm tired of being out here.
At least it didn't rain today. We had clear skies all day.
That's true. It was nice today. Hey, can you hold my fishing pole? I need to go to the restroom.
Sure. Wait, John.
Steve, what?
Something is pulling on your fishing pole. Here, grab it.
Wow, that's a huge salmon.
I told you to be patient and you would catch something.
Now I can take home dinner. Want to come over and have salmon with us?
Train ride.
What are you doing this weekend?
We're going to take the train to my mother's house.
That should be fun.
Yeah, we usually drive, but we decided to take the train this time.
Why?
My son loves trains, so I thought it would be a good idea to take the train up there.
Does he have a train set?
Oh, yes. He has several trains, and Jason built him a big wooden train track.
Then he's going to love this ride.
I know. We haven't told him yet. It's going to be a surprise.
I remember riding the train as a child. It was a lot of fun.
One of his toy trains looks just like the train we're going to take.
Make sure to take a picture of it.
That's a great idea. I'll frame it and hang it on his bedroom wall.
Have a great train ride.